Una good morning, my country people. Na African Mega Scare they talk to you for Egbuluka TV. Today, I wan tell una say, as I announced our Gmail account last week, people don dey send mails. We don receive mails from 4 different states where people don report say dem no develop their place and dem get people wey dey represent them. The first report here quickly is from Ankpa local government area of Kogi State. In Ankpa local government area, Mr. Hassan J said that no road in villages like Emere village, Enabo village, and Ofugo village, they are all in Ward 2 of Ankpa local government area of Kogi State. No roads, no electricity, no healthcare center, no pipe-borne water. In Emere village, in Enabo and Ofugo. And Dangote company is mining coal in those places and they use all these roads. And these people have local government chairman representing them. They have a councillor representing Ward 2. Please, our politicians who are representing the people of Emere, Enabo, and Ofugo in the federal constituency and state house assembly, and the senator representing them, please, you people should look into what is happening to Emere, Enabo, and Ofugo. Because I can't imagine people living without lights, no pipe-borne water, no healthcare center. What kind of a country are we living in? Please, something should be done, please. They should fix all these things. Because these people deserve the kind of life these politicians are also living. Thank you. The second report here is from Abia State in Bende local government by Mr. Uche Nwabo. Uche Nwabo said in Bende local government in a village called Ozitem. In Ozitem, no healthcare center, no healthcare facility, no pipe-borne water, no light, no road. In fact, the road is cut into 2. And they have a local government chairman in Bende local government. These people have a councillor that represents them in their ward. And they have somebody representing them in their state house of assembly. And somebody is representing them in their federal house of representatives. And they have a senator. And they have a governor of Abia State. But yet, these people, they live in this kind of condition in this country called Nigeria. And our politicians are just amassing wealth, money that is supposed to be used for development. No problem. The third report here is from Benue State in Ado local government area of Benue State. Mr. Isaiah Jibril said, in Ado local government in Igumale, that is the headquarters, no government school at all, no pipe-borne water, no good primary healthcare center, no skills acquisition center. Then in Olayi village, in the same Ado local government area of Benue State, no road, no pipe-borne water, no healthcare center. Then in the same Ado local government area of Benue State, in Igingban village, no pipe-borne water, no good access roads, no healthcare facility. That is too bad. And we have politicians representing these people. Go and check them. They are also rich now. Very rich. But they don't care about the people. We should mind the kind of politicians we sing praises for, or the kind of politicians we return back to office come 2023. Look at places not developed, not attended to, and people are living in these same places. People are voting in these same places. The fourth and the last report here is from Rivers State. It's from Eche local government area, from Egbeke community. The person that wrote this mail is Richard Wanti. Richard Wanti said in Egbeke community in Eche local government area, no roads, no electricity, no youth and women empowerment, no healthcare center, in Egbeke community. And that there is this road, Igiriti-Akwala road, that link them to Port Harcourt and other parts of the country. It's been cut into two, and nobody has attended to it. And there are politicians in Rivers State. People are just singing praises for them in social media. Thank you very much, Nigerians. There are so many mails, but we have to read just this 4 today, and we'll continue tomorrow. But keep sending in your mails to egbulukatv@gmail.com, and we will treat any issues in your area as regards underdevelopment. Or call us on 080-9427-6718, and we will attend to you. Because the reason for governance is to provide enabling environment for people to triumph. I don't know what is happening in Nigeria. So please keep calling us, because we are going to follow up on these mails we are receiving. We will follow up the National Assembly. We will not just keep quiet until the people we send to represent us do what we send them to go and do for us. Thank you very much.